Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hi, I'm Blippi, and this is a backhoe toy. It's one of the most popular machines on a job site. And today, we're gonna explore a backhoe. This is the front bucket. That is the back bucket. These are the tires. This is a stabilizer leg. And there's one on the other side too. That is the engine. This is the tractor. The inside is the cab. This is the front bucket, also known as the loader bucket. It can carry up to 8,760 pounds. That's 3 hippopotamuses.
Come on everyone, let's make learning